Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vial, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can letter march. For this tutorial I'm going to be using the Tombow Mono Drawing Pen number 3 and the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen hard tip. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And so the first style we're going to do is for calligraphy, which I'm using my mono drawing pen, my Tombow Mono Drawing Pen in the number 3. And basically what I'm doing is I'm tracing over the letters, then I will be adding outlines to the downstrokes, and then I will be filling in the downstrokes. And these are the 3 simple steps that you can follow to do fall calligraphy. If you want a full tutorial on how to make beautiful uppercase letters and lowercase letters, please check my 2 previous videos where I show you everything you need to know about fall calligraphy, and it also includes free calligraphy worksheets. I got both of these pens from Amazon, and I will put the links to these pens below. We're moving to the second way to letter march, which is done on a basic or more traditional way of calligraphy style. I'm using the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen in the hard tip, and as you can see I'm tracing the letters, and every time I'm tracing the letters I am making a small pause between strokes. And remember, when you're using a brush pen, it's important to do light pressure on the upstrokes every time you move your pen up, and heavy pressure on the downstrokes, which is every time you move your pen downwards. The third way we're writing march is in a bounce lettering style. The difference between this style and the one above is that, as you can see, I extend the letters to past the limits of the X height and the baseline. And I'm gonna make a video where I explain everything more in detail, so you know exactly what bounce lettering is. And then the fourth style is flourish calligraphy. To me, this style is a little bit more elegant, and as you can see, I'm adding many flourishes to the letters. As you can see, as I'm tracing the letters, I'm going very slow. This is real-time calligraphy, and when you're adding the flourishes, just make sure you know where your pen is going and don't put pressure when you're doing the flourishes. Now we're moving to the last way that you can letter march, which is block lettering. And throughout this whole video, I've been showing you 5 different ways that you can letter march. One thing I wanted to mention is to make sure you print this worksheet on quality paper, since you're using your brush pen. The paper that I recommend is a premium 32-pound paper, just because this will help you so your pens will last longer. Another tip that I have is that you can use a tracing paper, which basically what you do is you only have to print the worksheet once, and then you use the tracing paper and you place on top of the worksheet, and that's what you can do to trace and keep practicing. And that way, if you don't have access to print the worksheet several times, you only have to print the worksheet once and then use the tracing paper to go over it as many times as you need to. Be creating new videos every week and new free calligraphy worksheets. Make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know which is the word that you would like to practice, and I will be picking a new word every week to create videos and free worksheets. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.